MPS. Gonna be installing a front mount intercooler today. Already popped off the bumper. You can watch some YouTube tutorials on that one. Mine has these headlight washers, so I had to disconnect the hose and I'm just holding it with like one of those pliers. Spilled some of it, but I have to hold down so it doesn't leak this bracket off, because there's nothing else to remove, just this bracket, and it'll fit right under here with that temperature sensor out as well. So all the piping. So I still have my stop engine cover, so I'll get this off. Take the top mount out. I just got the top mount intercooler off. Okay, so I found the pipes that I need. I need that, and then this one. I was looking at the map. So this pipe, long one, has to go down this way and then side, and then it'll go around and then mount the intercooler and back up. But this is the biggest one. And now I'm gonna fit this. I'll try and get it on. Yeah. Okay. I think this is the way. I don't think if you guys can see well. Let me just. This kit came with like all the hardware as well, like these O-ring things for the clamps. Some of them uses the rubber, the silicone hoses with clamps, and some of them use this V-band type fitting. So I'll see how I go. Okay, I just found out that these V-band ones, there's two different sizes. I don't know for the specific intercoolers, but for the HDI ones, these ones, so they got like two separate. So they got one that's a bit bigger, one that's a bit smaller, and where it mounts on the top, yeah. Where it mounts on the top, they use the smaller ones, so you make sure you use the smaller O-rings and smaller V-bands for the top side. Let's install this thing. I don't know how these work actually. How can they? This is so loose. I don't know if this is what it's meant to be. So this U-shape goes around this way. V-band clamp from that pipe to the intercooler itself. Using one of these. I don't know if you guys can see. Using one of these on the intercooler. Yep. I marked the holes for the intercooler brackets. I think I gotta hang it out with just those two, because the BL crash bar is so thick. Let me get a hole punch. Got a hole punch. Let's see. After a trip to Super Cheap, I got the holes drilled. I had to get like a new stepper drill. Get the holes drilled. Now, so I'll get that mounted first, then I'll get back up on the car. finished mounting the front mount on the crash bar. Now I gotta bolt the crash bar back up and then get the rest of the piping on there. And that's mounted on. I gotta get all the piping. So that side is almost done, but I gotta realign it so it fits better. Cause this U pipe is like slightly on the bend. I want it like here. It might be a tough fit, but we'll have to try. I'll get the bumper on and we'll go for it this way. Even my driveway is too steep for the low mount in a cool-on. The car's warm. To the gym right now anyway. Just doing some test drive while I go to the gym. All the piping. This is. think I can do much of a test drive. There's too many cars at this time. It's at 8 a.m. I'm just going to the gym. I'll see if I can get more